Top 10 largest countries in Africa. At number 10, we have Ethiopia. Ethiopia has a land mass of 1,104,300 square kilometers. So very massive. Right? Ethiopia is a really big country. At number 9, we have South Africa with a land mass of 1,219,090 square kilometers. So really massive country, South Africa, right? Number 8, we have Mali. Mali, that is not a big country, and they have such a massive land mass like this. They have 1,240,192 square kilometers. So the most of this their land is desert, right? You know, it's in the Sahara desert. So Mali is mostly a desert. At number 7, we have Angola. Angola has a land mass of 1,246,700 square kilometers. So really massive. At number 6, we have Niger. So Niger is even really big like this, even bigger than Nigeria. Wow. They have 1,267,000 square kilometers. So very big country. At number 5, we have Chad, also another desert country. 90% of the land of Chad is desert, right? They have 1,280,000 square kilometers. So very large. And they also, Lake Chad, one of the largest wetland, a wet lake, what they call it, in all of Africa. So that's good, right? At number 4, we have Libya, another desert country too. They have a landmass of 1,759,540 square kilometers. So very big. Number 3, we have Sudan. So Sudan is also very big. I don't know whether South Sudan is big too. So Sudan has 1,861,484 square kilometers. So very vast country, Sudan, right? Number 2, we have Democratic Republic of Congo, also really vast. They have 2,344,858 square kilometers. So very, very big country, DRC, right? And their population is not even much, right? So if you like this list and want other lists like this, please follow and like for more. At number 1, the country in Africa with the largest land, right? The largest land mass, the biggest country is Algeria, with 2,381,741 square kilometers. So very, very massive country. Also, 90% of Algeria is desert. Yeah, so many of these countries, they are in the desert. So people are not even staying in those regions. They are just staying in one small part of the country, but they have massive land, right? So that's interesting. See you guys in the next one.